They sell them as dried flour, so whenever you want something to cover, but the tarragon is just all these little gadgets you've got. Your selfie?
No, this is a 360 camera. Basically, it records everything up and down. 360.
So I'm not saying anything anymore. You're recording.
No, kasi ang point nito, if you're in a situation where you can only be there one time, pero gusto mo i-capture lahat, ka-capture mo na using this, and then bago mo i-edit, isi-select mo anong frames ang gusto mo. Kasi sometimes sabi mo, ay, nandun ako, but I wasn't able to record this part. So ngayon, kung may ganito ka, nire-record mo siya simultaneously lahat. Ngayon, pagbalik mo sa desktop mo, pipiliin mo kung anong frame ang ilalagay mo. So in essence, masisave mo yung imbis ka, ay, babalik ako doon kasi the-best yung pag-record mo. So one time. Kasi ito, this is called the magic rod. Hindi siya nakikita. So lumalabas, parang drone lang siya. Kinukuha nilang lahat ng mamaya paglakad ko doon, lagyan mo.
Mamaya paglakad.
Baba kayo doon sa